Good morning, students. This is Prema, your biology teacher from BRGS. Welcome to my biology class. Today in this class we are going to study in detail about the chapter that is why do we fall ill. Let's move to the introduction part. We should know about the health and disease. What is the difference between the health and disease? Okay, first we should know the meaning of the both. See here, first one, health. Health is a state of being well enough to function well physically, mentally and socially. We have to maintain our physically, mentally and social well-being to do the functions, normal functions, that we call it as health here. Next come to disease. What do you mean by disease? Any disturbance, any abnormalities in the structure or function of any organ or any part of the body, that we call it as disease. See, here we are giving the definition: any disturbance in the structure, any abnormalities present in the structure of the human body or function of any organ, okay, or part of the body, that we call it as disease. The various causes of diseases are this caused by the various pathogens. Here pathogen refers to the foreign bodies. For example, viruses, microbes, bacteria, fungus. These are the foreign substances that cause the disease in our body, that we call it as pathogen here. That leads to the lack of nutritious diet. It is also called as balanced diet. Abnormalities in the nutrition diet, and also lack of public health services, increasing the health services, that is called as diseases here. The diseases or infections can be prevented by the lifestyles. We can change our lifestyles by doing the exercises, proper sleep or enough relaxation, that will prevent the diseases before leads to the causes or anything. Okay, we have to maintain precautions. We have to take the precautions by doing the exercise, proper sleep, enough relaxation. Modification, taking the balanced diet. We have to maintain the balanced diet while eating. Maintenance of the balanced diet. Good personal health and hygiene. We have to take care of our personal health and also the personal hygiene. And also maintaining a clean and health surrounding. We have to maintain our surroundings always clean and health. That is also preventive measures of the diseases. Next come to health. See here the exact definition of the health here. Health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. Health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. In all these respects, we have to maintain our health properly. That's why we call it as health. The conditions necessary for good health. What are the conditions for the necessary for the good health? First one, that is good physical and social environment. We have to keep the physical and also social environment every day clean and hygienic. Second one, that is good economic conditions. We have to maintain the economic condition or environmental conditions properly. That is also condition for the necessary for the good health. Good physical and social environment includes, what are the points here? Clean surroundings, good sanitation, proper garbage disposal and clean drinking water. These are the environment, physical and social environment, that includes clean surroundings, good sanitation, proper garbage disposal and also clean drinking water. All through this we have to maintain our proper health condition. Good economic conditions includes job opportunities for earning to have nutritious food. We want nutrition food. For this we have to do the job opportunities, okay, and to lead a health life. Okay, personal and community issues both matter for health. Personal and also community issues. What are the problems behind the personal and also in the communities? These both are the matter for the health. First one come to community health. What do you make community health? Here name itself indicates the definition community. Okay, peoples including in the surroundings, group of peoples, we call it as community. All those activities which people do both individually and in groups for the development of their society. See here, all those activities, okay, maintenance of the economic condition, environment, personal hygiene, that also those are the activities which people do both individually as well as in the group for the development of their society, that constitute the community health, that leads to the community health. Next come to personal and community health or supplementary to each other. Okay, these are the supplementary to each other. Next come to we protect ourselves by keeping our body clean. Always we have to keep the body clean. For this we also require a good and health environment in our surroundings. For this also we want a good health environment and in our surroundings. Yes or no? We can have this only by the means of community health and development. So both personal and community health are interrelated. Same coin of the two phases. Next come to the differences between being health and disease free. What is the difference between the being health and also the disease free? See here in the being healthy, it is the state of being well enough to function well physically, mentally and socially. This is the definition of being health. When come to the being disease free, it is a state of absence from diseases. There is no diseases. Okay. Under the being healthy, it refers to the individual physical and social environment. It depends upon the physical, social and also individual. While come to being disease free, it refers only to the individual. Only it leads to the individual personal hygiene. Being healthy, the individual has good health. In the disease free, the individual may have good health or poor health. That is not a matter here. Next come to disease and its causes. What does disease looks like? See, when a person is affected by a disease, either the functioning or the appearance of one or more symptoms of the body will change for the worse. See, always the body ready to change the activities or come out of the diseases. Body always struggling. These changes give rise to symptoms and signs of diseases. That gives some symptoms or signs on the bodies. On the basis of the symptoms, the physician look for the sign of a particular disease and conduct a test to confirm the disease. See, these are the two types of diseases. How many? Two types of diseases are there. Acute diseases and chronic diseases. These are the two diseases. Acute disease. What do you mean by acute diseases? Acute diseases which last for only very short period of time and affect body suddenly and quickly. For example, cold, cough, typhoid. These are the diseases. It will come shortly and suddenly and quickly. Okay. Next come to chronic diseases. The diseases which last for a long time. It takes lot of time to discover, even as much as lifetime, are called chronic disease. For example, diabetes, tuberculosis, elephantiasis. These are the diseases that will take the long time to discover on the body. This is the different types of diseases, acute diseases and chronic diseases. Thank you. We'll continue in the next class.